Hi, this is John Lowe from the 30K Challenge in 2018, trying to make $30,000 in a small account. Um, hey, gonna go over NVDA, retest the 50% line from Friday. Just going over this chart. Did not trade this, but I just want to show you what technical analysis can offer you if you use it correctly and use risk management to make a trade in the stock market. Okay. Disclaimer: I'm not a professional financial advisor. I do not have a degree in finances. Overall, I'm not a profitable trader. This is for educational purposes only. I am not making investment suggestions, nor should anything you see, read, or listen to constitute or imply any investment advice. Always seek the counsel of your professional financial advisor before making any investment. By viewing this video, you agree not to hold Jonathan Lowe or any of my assets liable for losses that you encounter while trading the stock market in any form. This is just a theory. No one knows where the market is going to go. We can just try to make educated guesses, okay? So with that being said, let's get into this. NVDA last Friday hit the 50% line at 242.54 and then goes higher. This is not uh, a trade or the 9 EMA trade that I normally take. I am trading against the 9 EMA because the 9 EMA is coming down on the charts. However, technical analysis tells me that the 50% line is a technical line that I like to draw, and I think other people do because we have a lot of price action against that line as of lately. And I believe in my technical analysis. So I'm going to make a trade using my technical analysis and my risk management to see if I can make a winning trade. As you can line it up here, you can see here my entry is going to be at 242.71 if I were going to take this trade. I did not take this trade once again. My stop would be 242.51 or 52, which would give you pretty much less than a 20-cent stop. My first target would be pre-market macro pivot. My second target would be high of the day before, and my third target would be all-time high and NVDA. Okay, so let's flip over. Let's take a look at the SPY real quick before we take the trade. We'd want to look at the SPY and see what the SPY and the QQQ are doing. And if you look at this, the trade happened around 118 is when it hit the 50% mark. So this is around 115, around the same time. We can see that the QQQ obeyed the 50% line. There's the low, there's the high. Here is the 50% line. It didn't even reach it, and it started going back up. So that looks sort of long for the day. The SPY, the open, it opened above the 50% line. It didn't get up to high day yet. It found support. It broke through it a couple times, but couldn't hold below. Too many buyers pushing it up. So this is also looking long, okay? We're getting a retest of VWAP on the SPY, so it bounces right off of VWAP and goes back up. So that looks like pretty good support there. It could still hit here and go back down, but just it's something that you want to look at. Be aware of what the SPY and the QQQs are doing, and this looks decently. It looks like a decent trade, so far potentially. So let's exit out of this. Let's exit out of this screen here. Let's go to what we see on NVDA. As you can see here on NVDA at 115, it bounces off the 50% mark. 2-minute chart shows the same thing at 318. Okay, the 1-minute chart shows it also at 318, hitting the low here. This is something that you could anticipate Okay, you can be looking for this trade. As NVDA gets weak down here, maybe you could take a short through here. I don't know, but we're just talking about taking a trade long here. And if you want to use the 50% line, that would be what you would want to do. Okay, so you have time to take this trade. It's setting up for you, but if you have to know what you're looking for. You have to know what setup you want to use. Okay, so minutes before you see this coming down, you say, hey, you know something, if it hits this 50% mark, goes back up, I want to take it long, okay? So then you would go into your trade. If you're using TOS, you pull up NVDA, you look at an option, maybe a couple days out. You can look one for like a 20-cent spread. You can click on $6.40. Uh, once you take this trade, you know you're going to be down $20 per contract taking this trade. We know if you have a $2,000 account, 2% of that is $40. So I can only take one contract of this to um, for a fairly safe trade on this. Okay, so I'll take one contract, enter at 640, 650, whatever it is. If it goes below my stop price, I'll exit out for whatever loss I'll take. Hopefully, it's around $40, and it's all ready to go, ready to hit send. If you're gonna do it in Tasty Trades, I guess I could pull it up and show you how to do that. But in the meanwhile, that's loading up. Let's go to the 15-second window here. Okay, so because I use 15-second as my entry. Okay, so if it bounces off of here, let's open this up. Okay, and we'll play this forward here. One at a time. It's going, bounces up. We're looking for a retest of this area. It can go, we don't want it to break through here, but we want it to come back, touch this or come close to this and start heading back up and get long. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Be patient. Okay, there's your retest, a little 15-second doji there. Okay. Um, and get ready to go long. As soon as it goes long above this, okay, the next candle, we want to go long here. We're gonna go. We'll get long. Okay, boom. You can get long right here. Okay, this is really quick. You could get stopped out. It could hit the 15-second 20 EMA and go down and get stopped out. But this is the trade that I want to take. Okay, I'm gonna risk 20 cents to hopefully make $1, and then go even higher to hit daily highs, and then ultimately, it'd be nice to get up to all-time high. Okay, so that is the setup. Okay, and then if we want to look at what actually happened on the 2-minute chart. On the 2-minute chart, it never got back down to the 50% line, and it went up, came back down, and went up. You could use, try to use some risk management here. You could, as it goes above here, as it comes back down, maybe you exit one here, hold for, break even. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to, you could. You could just exit out here, make a small winner. If you want to hold it, you don't want to hold onto a loser. You'll come close to, um, getting stopped out. You are going to be letting a green trade possibly go red, through here, but it doesn't hit your stop at all, and it continues to go up. Okay, so you made $1 here. You can see how that pre-market macro pivot. I'll talk about that again. There's nice price action along here, but this is where this is a trade that you could take using my strategy following the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is coming up here. You have price action all above here. You have one last push down, and then boom, you get strength. It goes up. Okay, and and look at that. You hit the second target. Here's your first target. Here's your second target, and that would have been a fantastic trade on NVDA, only risking $40. And if you had if you wanted to take the risk and hold it all the way up to high of day, you could have done that, and you would have made 3 points, just about 3 points on a 20-cent risk. Okay, hope that makes sense to you. Hope you like that. Let's go back to this. Hey, if you like that, please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. Use my referral code if you want to open up a Tastyworks account, and definitely go on to focustrades.com, and you can pay for the subscription there. It's my good buddy Taylor Horton. He's a good mentor, and in my opinion, he's a professional trader, and that's where I spend my time, in a chat room there. So anyway, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.